Yeah, good morning. Actually, it's not such a good morning. Do you have Windows 10? They recently did that little anniversary update. Well, when they did that update, you probably have noticed that your camera doesn't work anymore, or the microphone doesn't work anymore, or everything that was on your desktop, all the shortcuts are gone. And you can't find them no matter what you do, and you keep trying to get the stuff to turn back on and locate where it all went. So yeah, it's 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 actually kind of easy to get everything working again. I'm going to show you how. All right, currently I'm on Lenovo. They're trying to fix my computer, the Windows 10, because after I did the Windows 10 update, I guess anniversary, nothing works on the computer as far as the camera or anything. So I had to call Lenovo, and now they are doing it. Hopefully they're going to get it to work. Stuff I have, but it ain't working. I have everything done correctly. It just will not open up the lens. But so, okay, I see you're doing what you're doing on your end. I'm watching from here,
Okay. Yeah.
I just hoping that you can get this camera to turn on. Like I said, nothing is working.
Right. So a lot of customers.
Okay, I see me. Wait a minute. I see me. Hello?
Okay.
I see me. So what did you do? Say hi. Hello? Can you see me waving to you? It's first thing in the morning here. So let me brush my hair. There you go. Okay.
There's supposed to be, as I checked, privacy mode, and it's turned on. So when you turn on this, it's supposed to be the camera is disabled.
So how did who changed the privacy mode? Not me.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the updates.
Okay, the updates. Okay, well go ahead and turn it back off. So that when I hang up with you, I can say, I got it working. Okay. All right. So go ahead and turn. All right. Do what you got to do. Get back out of here, but stay on the phone with me. You got the camera working. Okay. So if I'm on the camera here, see, I'm holding my other camera, my flip camcorder. Can you see me? Because I'm filming this, trying to figure out how this works, and so I won't have to call you in the future.
Yes, I can walk through you about that. So, okay, so let's begin. If this is indicates that you encounter the same problem, go to your Lenovo Companion. Right?
Got a Lenovo Companion, okay. Where's that even listed on there? The Lenovo Companion, Lenovo Settings, Companion, okay.
That's supposed to be when I check this,
As,
picture. So click this one, then launch Lenovo Companion here.
Okay.
We direct you to Lenovo main page. Then click this one,
hardware settings, okay.
That's right. Then you will see audio and visual.
Okay.
And as you see,
And I see me again. All right, it's still working. And that says the microphone's off. Can you make sure the microphone's on while you're there?
yes,
I mean, what the heck? You're there. You might as well make that work too, correct?
yes, that's right. Yes.
Okay, so microphone is now on and the camera is on, correct?
Yes, right.
Okay, so I can do both pictures and video at this point.
That's right.
So if somebody calls me, I can do Skype with my mom or what have you. Okay.
Right.
Webcam time. All right. Glad to hear that. It is definitely working. So in the future, I'm going to do what you told me to do, right? Go over to the Lenovo Companion and hopefully that'll work. Yay, they fixed it. I was going nuts. Windows 10, I'm not really, a big fan of Windows 10. I'm kind of stuck on Windows 7 and Windows Vista, old school, of course. But I was going nuts because the camera wasn't working on the Windows 10 laptop, and it made no sense. And it was right after it did the update. So I went online to YouTube, and I kept trying to see how to reinstall the the camera, how to get your camera working, and every single video is saying to change the registry and to go in there and remove all that, go back to default settings. That's not what it takes. Obviously, you need to call the maker of your desktop or laptop or whatever that you're using Windows 10 on after they did that anniversary update. And all of a sudden you know something isn't working, whether it be the camera, the microphone, or you notice all your shortcuts on your desktop are gone. Like, I noticed all those were gone, and I found them in the trash can in the recyclable bin. And so I had to take them out of the recyclable bin rather than completely delete and move them back to the desktop. Just slide them over to desktop. But yeah, Windows 10, the anniversary update, you know, apparently it removes everything. It just throws it all out or whatever. So you got to go find it. But in order to turn back on your camera and your microphone or anything else that all of a sudden got turned off, call the maker of your laptop or your desktop and let them have access to your computer and let them find it, and then they can put it back on for you. Because, yeah, now see, there it is. Okay, I'm going over to the thing. I don't like all these apps. I don't understand it at all because I do not have a smartphone. But look, okay, the camera works. Yay! Time to do some webcam stuff. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out because it definitely was something I needed to do, because all the other videos I saw on YouTube, it did not get that camera turned on. But the person at Lenovo, he got this camera turned on. Updates, they're a pain in the butt, right? Apparently. And sometimes they require a little extra assistance to get everything working again. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. Bye.